Good evening. On behalf of your entire crew, we welcome you aboard our flight to Allentown. We ask for your full attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this Airbus 320 aircraft. There is a safety information card located at your seat. Please take it out and follow along as we cover this important information. This aircraft has 8 exits. There are 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the rear. Each door is equipped with evacuation slide. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operation. In an emergency, floor path lighting will illuminate the direction to the exit. Please take a moment to locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind that they may be behind you. To fasten your seatbelt, place flat metal fitting into the buckle, pull on the top strap to tighten. To release, lift the upper portion of the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on and whenever you are seated, fasten seatbelts low and tight across your hips. Our cabin is pressurized for your comfort and safety. If this should change, the oxygen masks will drop from the panel above your seat. Pull down the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your head with the elastic strap. Pull on the loose end of the strap to tighten. Breathe normally. Even though oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. If you are traveling with a small child or someone who requires assistance, secure your own mask first before assisting others. Life vests for adults and children are located under your seats. If required, remove the life vest from its container and tear open the package. Remove the life vest from the pouch. Place the life vest over your head with the panels on the front. Secure the strap around your waist and fasten it in the front. Ensure the strap is secured tightly by pulling on the loose end. As you exit the aircraft, inflate your vest by pulling down on the red inflation tab or blowing to the red tube. All life vests have a water-activated locator light. Flight attendants will distribute life vests for infants as needed. Allegiant is a non-smoking airline located throughout the cabin or no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Smoking, vaping, and use of all tobacco products are prohibited at all times. Federal regulations require passengers to observe these signs and comply with crew member instructions. It is a federal offense to tamper with, disable, or destroy a laboratory smoke detector. Please securely fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray table, and carrying baggage as we now prepare for takeoff. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this 2-hour, 11-minute flight to Allentown. Thank you for choosing Allegiant.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
Aft cabin secure.